This man was fast asleep when cops came into his house. What happens next is crazy.
Ramon! Ramon!
Hey!
I want to hear his side of the story.
Huh?
That's why I'm here. Are you okay? Can we talk for a little bit?
What time is it? Oh, hey, what time is it? Calm down. In your hand.
You're drunk, starts throwing stuff, and then my mom said, Raymond, what's wrong with you? He says, yo, shut up and get out of my face. I'm like, he pushed her right there on the glass window. So my mom had the racket and she was threatening to hit him with it. And so she put it down and he threw it at her. And I was
Subscribe for more videos like this one.